Got 2017 Mazda Mx5 Miata key fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Flip it over. There's a sliding button right here. We need to slide to the left and hold it. Okay. Then you can remove the emergency key. It unlocks it, but you need to hold it. Okay. Now, once you have the emergency key out, if we look in these corners here, there are these little bitty slots. There's one right here. There's one right here. Now you're going to use a little tool, a butter knife, flathead screwdriver, put it in here, okay, and give it a twist, okay. And that'll help you get underneath it like that. And you can go on and just kind of just work your way around a little bit. Same thing with the other side. Put it in here, give it a twist, and get you in there, get you started. Go through, just pry it open and unlock it. Now you have this cap right here that all you got to do is just take it off, and here's your battery. Okay, and it'll just fall right out. Battery size is a CR2025. If you need the battery size again, or if you want to purchase a battery on Amazon, there's a link down in the description box. You just put your new one in like this, and you get your cap. Stick it on here. Okay, it should stay because there's a little weather seal down in here. It's also written, so as the battery here on the cap. And you just get your other half, starting from the top, work your way down, and just put the remote back together, put the emergency key back in, and you're all done.